Welcome back to the Wings on Wheels. And today we are going to talk about speed. It is what drives people these days when it comes to motorsports. Whether it's a bike or a car, we as motor enthusiasts are always interested in finding about how fast their vehicle is. Back in day, the only way we used to find out about the exact timings of a specific vehicle is by browsing through online forums or using a stopwatch in your phone. But the latter process isn't always accurate, and there are many industrial based devices like VBox who can measure the speed of any vehicle accurately, but it's very expensive and bulky. But not anymore. Today we have something special for our viewers. Today we have a device used by Motorsports magazine to calculate the speed of any car in 0 to 100, 0 to 200, 100 to 200 or 100 to 0. We can also record quarter mile in fast and furious style as well, and mind you, this device is 100% accurate, claimed by many online reviews and auto magazines. The device we have is called Draggy, and to install the device all you need is just Draggy and your mobile phone with internet connection. Please note that test run was done at a secluded area without putting anyone in danger on road. Also, I do not encourage anyone to repeat this anywhere. So to connect the device, first let's unbox the Draggy, and as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. Here we have the main device with 10 GHz GPS module inside. Compared to your iPhone's 1 GHz module, you can actually imagine how accurate the Draggy will be. So you connect the power cable to Draggy and find a USB source in the car to power it up. And that's it. Then turn on the Bluetooth of your phone. Open the Draggy app on your phone and press the connect button, and the device then automatically connect and sync with your iPhone. And that's all you need. I am going to show you now by doing a test run with launch control mode how Draggy is super convenient to use any time of the day. So you find a fixed phone position and then press the record button on the screen. And now I am activating the launch control by putting the engine in sports mode, traction in sports, one click, and then transmission in sports as well. Press the brake hard from the left foot and simultaneously press the accelerator hard with the right foot, and then you will see launch control activate, then lift your left foot.
60, 100, quarter mile,
'So there we have our 0 to 100 timings of our BMW G3530D with launch control, and we can see the results in two different ways, like in a graph sheet or a video overlay, and with speed and 0 to 100 timings come on board, which is a better way to share.
60, 100,
Also, I did a run without launch control to see the difference between two, and the results are not bad at all.
60, 100, quarter mile, half mile, 200.
Also in future we are going to have Draggy series on our YouTube channel Wings on Wheels, so subscribe to us because we are going to Draggy a lot of different cars and see their 0 to 100 timings. With this is Wings on Wheels signing out, and we hope to see you soon with our amazing new content.